Question 31 is a rhetorical synthesis question, and here specifically we're being asked to contrast the song Poor Miner's Farewell and the song Bring Him Back Home. So whenever we use the word contrast, I know that they're looking for something that is different between the two songs. So we're not just comparing the two, we're looking specifically how the two are different from each other. So I'm going to go look at the 4 answer choices. The first answer choice says that the songs Poor Miner's Farewell and Bring Him Back Home both. So immediately when we have the word both, I know we're talking about what is the same in both songs, and so that is not going to be the correct answer. Now look at answer choice B, because I have the word both here, but I'm going to read it. The reason is the both has this while before it, which means they're saying even though both are protest songs, but Poor Miner's Farewell is about coal miners in Kentucky, whereas Bring Him Back Home is about the anti-apartheid leader, Nelson Mandela. So when I have this while, it tells me that I'm going to talk about some kind of opposite somewhere else in the passage. It's a but sentence. So I'm saying even though both are protest songs, I'm going to talk about the opposite. So what is not the same in both in the rest of the passage. And the thing that is different, I know because they use this whereas, which is a contrast word. So when I say whereas, I'm really comparing and contrasting two different things. And here we're saying that the first song is about miners in Kentucky and the second is about Nelson Mandela. Now, if I was solving this question on the test, I would stop here. I wouldn't read answer choice C and D, move on. But for the sake of this video, let's go through answer choices C and D as well. Answer choice C says Hugh Masekela's song Bring Him Back Home, and it goes to just talk about that one song, so it doesn't have the other song. So this Poor Miner's Farewell, we don't have it. So for that reason, C is incorrect. And the opposite is true in D. In D, we're talking about the Poor Miner's Farewell, but we're not talking about Bring Him Back Home. And so D is also incorrect, and I know that B is going to be the correct answer.